Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to delete an unopened chat for both sides on the Telegram app using your PC with the newest update. Whether you want to remove a chat for privacy or just to tidy up your chat list, these simple steps will get it done quickly and easily. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and can see your chats displayed in the sidebar. Next, locate the unread chat that you want to delete. This could be a message you never opened or simply want to erase for both you and the other person. Once you find the chat, right-click on it. A context menu will pop up with several options. Look for delete and leave or a similar delete option. Click on that. Before you confirm, make sure to check the box that says delete for everyone or delete for both sides. This is a crucial step because it will ensure the chat is removed not just from your device, but also from the other person's Telegram app. This way, the conversation disappears completely for both participants. Finally, click the delete button to confirm your choice. Telegram will process your request, and within moments, that unopened chat will be gone from both sides. And that's all there is to it. This updated feature makes managing your Telegram chats more private and organized than ever. Remember, these exact steps work specifically on the PC version of Telegram with the latest update. With just a few clicks, you can keep your Telegram clean and secure, removing any unwanted unopened chats from both ends without hassle. Thanks for watching.